the red black colour cover that I'm going to use in her face, because this colour suits chestnuts and horses of that colouring. So if you get it and push it up into your sponge and work it into your sponge a bit, so your sponge becomes reasonably saturated, and then you work it to their face. Now, it's very important with this sort of stuff to blend it in, not to have it. And you go down to the nose area, and I blend it in with the clear face makeup. I'll show you in a moment. And if you have the pots of it, which we do because we have quite a lot of horses, we use a paintbrush actually, as I'll show you. I actually use that and I put it onto there and you paint it on, which does quite a good job as well if you've got tubs of it. In other words, if you've got quite a few horses like the said people here, we do. And you paint it on. And then I'll just do the other side. And make sure you go under the lip, round there. And I'll move to the other side. You just put it on so it's there, then when you come to work it in, it works in very well. So keep gently pushing your tube, but don't push or you'll get it all over you. And it's a very, very good idea to wear a pair of gloves, because I've ruined more than one set of clothes with this. Mickey, it's not food. It's not toothpaste either. You just do the inside of the ear lightly with your sponge and it'll go on. Just makes your ears nice and clean and to match the rest of the makeup. It's like toning in. And then we've finished that part of it, so always make sure you put your lid on, because if the sponge goes dry, it snaps off and comes out of the top. Now I will blend it in with the clear makeup, and it's just a clear highlight. And I get it on a piece of chucks or a soft cloth. I just wipe it on, as such. And then you just use that to blend the makeup in, so it doesn't look as though you've painted glasses on it. Same thing again, make sure you get the nose and the bottom lip. I'm just going to use the chestnut highlight just to cover this scar on this mare's leg. You just dab a little bit in and then you blend it in exactly the same. I'm now going to do her feet with black hoof colour, and it's also in an applicator brush. And you just, the same thing again, you just, this has an advantage because it's very healthy for the horse's hoof and also lets it breathe, and to me that's a pretty important part.